In this video, we're going to talk about kegs being daisy chained together. This client here has 4 kegs in their system, 2 taps. And how this works is that for us to be able to pour 2 kegs out of one faucet, you have the kegs linked together in a chain. So the product comes out of this keg, goes through the jumper, goes in through the gas line of this coupler, and then it refills this keg through the top. The check valve is removed from this. There is a standard barbed tail piece put on here with a product washer inside to be able to seal this up.
Here's how the daisy chain works. Gas flows into keg 1 at the coupler. As keg 2 empties to the faucet, the gas pressure in keg 1 pushes product out through the jumper line, highlighted by the red arrow, and into keg 2. The product line from the tower is connected to the coupler on keg 2. When the tap handle is pulled, product flows out of keg 2 and to the faucet. The reason multiple kegs need to be connected for a daisy chain system to work is the first keg in the daisy chain is supplying the gas pressure for all of the other kegs in the daisy chain system.
So in order for that refill to happen, 2 kegs of the same flavor and same product style have to be connected on the system here. If you have 2 different flavors, you're going to cross-contaminate the other one. So you're going to have a mixed keg flavor here on this one here that this one pushes the product into. So if you go follow through, gas goes in, pushes the product out into this keg here, faucet is pulled, product comes out and goes to the faucet. And that's how a daisy chain works.